Take a good look, guys. That's probably going to be the last time you see the Rock 2 with me. It's going to live on, but we're looking to find it a new owner. Going to trade it in on a new one. But you say it's not very old. No, it's not. This is a 21 model, 2500 with a Duramax. Bought it to replace the Lemon Rock 1, which was always in the shop. This one's got 134,000 miles on it, and it's never been into a dealer. No warranty work whatsoever. Doing pretty good too. But I need reliability, and when they get up to 130 something thousand miles, it's time. I get too much more miles on them, the value goes down to nothing. This one got all cleaned up for trading it in. Wanted to show you something. Starter. Now this is an LTZ. The new one's got a much bigger infotainment center, and I think that's going to be nice because I can see text and stuff a lot bit better. Now, what I wanted to show you is down here. When I first started talking about the Rock 1, let me turn down the AC. When I first started talking about the Rock 1, I told people that I don't change brake pads ever, and I'd had to have the Rock 1 changed at less than 30,000 miles. Well, I got lambasted. No, you can't do that. The truck can't go 100,000 miles on the same brake. I'll wear mine out. Well, that's because you probably drive like a fool. You know, when I'm pulling up to a light and I see the light's red about a half a mile ahead, I don't keep going 100 miles an hour. I let off the gas and coast in. I use the trailer brakes. You know, all kinds of stuff you can do. Looking for the thing here that tells me. Let's see, where are we? See, that's got 133,872 miles. It's averaging 16 miles to the gallon. Filter life 65, and there's what I wanted to show you. The brake pad life. It's never been touched. This has got a monitor that looks at the brake pad wear. It says it got 68% left on the front and 79% left on the rear. That's the fuel economy that it's been going over the last 50 miles. There's how many hours it's got on the engine. Now this will make a good truck for somebody. But frankly, when my truck goes down, I need it. So it's still good shape. It's got a little tear in the front seat, but that's about the only thing. Anyway, let me get back to my work, and I'll show you a gate in a minute, but just wanted to let you say goodbye to her.